and go live. Wait a second. I want to. Okay, it should work. Do I stream on? Yes. Hi everybody. Today we are going to program my little game yet again. And today is a special day because I learned how to use plugins in Flatpak. That's first. And for second, I installed a plugin to OBS so I can stream on how many platforms I want. It's not like Restream, but I think it's better for the free version. I have not um used this plugin, so it's not accurate. Okay. Thousand? Wait. What? Okay. So I have a Discord channel, but that's not what I wanted to stream activity. I should set up the kick, but not for now. On YouTube, the 8,000 kilobytes is too much. Really? Maybe. I don't know. Okay. I'm sorry. I am learning about this. You go away. 8,000. Huh. Okay. What is on kick the nice value of bitrate? Studio? No. Moderate, moderate, no. Recommended encoding settings. 8,000? Not a... Huh? I'm sorry, YouTube, it will be higher than recommended. Only 1,000? Why? Okay, it should work. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's okay. I will try to look on stream elements. No. Okay. So let's code. I think we can like this. Okay. So what we did from the last time I streamed the last day on Kick only, but for both there are some changes in the GODOT game engine. I don't know what is the best to use this thing. Don't know how to say it. I will for you. It's not in there. It's there. Display scale 125. Oh, it's big. how is the text for you, chat? Because for me, I have a big monitor, so it's big, but I don't know what is it for you, the text and everything. Hmm? I need some. Uh, but the game is working almost fine for some. It's big. Okay. Main font size. I will change this. Or maybe. Okay. I think that's better. Okay. So, the things that changed. There are things like I learned how to paint the files. So, the autoload is red, the items are light blue, scenes pink, scripts purple, the textures are green, and that's it. I there in the right dock there is only inspector, signals, and groups. That's everything. And then in the left dock there is only the scene, and there is the file system, history. I don't use that, and import. I don't use that. Or maybe I should use that, but I'm not using that. And another thing I learned, okay, when I click this button, it is on another window. In the Godot for, don't know what is it, 4.5, don't know, but it wasn't there wasn't this feature. Now I can use both my monitors, like on coding when I don't stream. I think this is super useful. Like this big code editor, like IDE, don't know how to say it in English, like IDE. This is fine, fine, and fire too. What is this? History, okay. There is there is more. Like I can do this, but I already knew that. The file system, no. So this is how it is. Okay? Okay. So I will just move the chats here. Okay. So on the last stream, I think what did we do? I should change. Can you please yeah, okay. Name local. Okay. The run max FPS no boot splash show image keep stretch mode cover. What if I do cover? Okay, don't know what it. Froglight Mage. Hi, nice to see you. If you're interested in this project, I will say what it is. If you want to know, just just I that just write the message. Okay, what did we do? What were we making like then? I I forgot. Huh. Sure. Okay. On for info, like warning, I get really distracted. So if you could help me get focused, so it will be nice. And okay, it's a game. You already know that. It's a top-down shooter slash adventure. Uh, I plan on adding I plan on adding craft features, but what works to this day? The options, three of them, and the main game. The world is 100 by 100 for now, randomly generated. Uh, the forest sprites are only like farm sprites originally, but that's only for just this is only how do I say it? Never mind. By the way, I'm from a non-English speaking language. N not language, not English. Y you know what I mean. Okay, we have inventory, we have hotbar. When I scroll my button, it works like in Minecraft. The numbers work like in Minecraft. When I do debug key H, it hurts me. I can respawn with this will be in work. I can drag and drop. I can swap items. When I right click, it splits. When I do when I mouse wheel down, this is term I use. When I mouse wheel down, it splits like it is like tweaking in Minecraft, I think. But because I'm drag dropping, I need to hold the left button, so I added this. I can I can drag and drop it to the hotbar, or I can shift and left click it like in Minecraft. And then there are the weapons and the apples. I think the apple, don't know why it's higher cased, but the apples do what food does. Heal, heal, heal. And I can, on the last stream, I could eat a wood too. But I already fixed that. So then there are these two weapons. Like, and how long have you been working on this? Like 2 months, like this year, 2026. But I am like student, so I can't work a lot on this project, like 24/7. You know what I mean? But I think, and this is my first game, like bigger game, not just learning game ever. It will be on H. And why am I so bugging? Oh, because it, for some reason. Okay. So, there is the handgun, like this. It does 10 HP damage and has fire rate a quarter a second. Quarter of a second. I think that's how it's said. And if I um hold the left mouse button, it shoots. The trees can be damaged. They have, I think, 50 HP. The player has 100, by the way. I can pick up items, which is nice. And hi from yesterday Kick stream. Oh, hi! By the way, I'm streaming on Kick right now too, so I learned how to do that on multiple platforms. Okay, the borders aren't here, so I can just leave. By the way, so what were I saying? And then there is the big weapon, the shotgun, which fires like shotgun in game, and it does 5 HP per bullet. But there is some bug with the trees. They should drop only one wood, one piece of wood. But if I do it like this, it drops a lot of wood it is because all the bullets hit the tree at the same time. You know what I mean. So that's that. When I do escape, when I do escape, there is the menu. But I wanted to show you. We added a sprint on the last stream. I wanted to add a stamina too, but I thought about changing it to not dash, but like the when I do control or shift, it makes a roll, not roll. It. You do you know what I mean? Like something like a dash. That should be better than sprinting because I don't want a big game, a big map. It I think it will have a cooldown. It's not in the game yet, and I don't have it on the to-do list yet. That was just a thought. What I want to say, I don't want the game to be like super movement, like limitless. It 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 will be like protect the core game. So there will be not a lot of movement, only like for dodging and these things. So that's it. So like dodging is, I guess, better than just sprinting on stamina because it's only like better walking. Okay, so that's it. Then there's the menu. I don't have saves, so these buttons don't do anything. So that's not much fun. Then options. I want these options to be another. No, another. Like not the same like these options. I want these to be like the game options and these like say like the I don't know. So the rage quit button um does this. There is no and yes. The yes or no. It makes no difference because I have not implemented the saving. Okay, so already 15 minutes. Whew. So I'm okay. Okay, like this. So, what were we working on the last stream? I have there the two chats, this and this. So, how should I say your name? Baktori or Cake? Okay, what we... I think I will just look what we did, or maybe not. Sure. What do we need? Sprinting of enemies, better generation, better options, saving, cutscene on dev. Don't think. I don't think. Building, stones, more tools, more weapons. I think I will undo the sprint. I will I will do the I will do the dodge. The dodge the huh? Dodge do Okay. So I need to go into scripts, make new no, into player, state machine, node, idle run, idle run, dodge. I'm sorry, I need to go for my phone. I'm back. Is it working, everything? Yes, it is. Okay. So, dodge, attach script, scripts, big D, I think. idle, idle, idle. Where is it? Idle. State. Not like this, like this. State. Yes, that's it. Okay. Ctrl W. Now dodge function. Enter. Function physics process. State idle. Enter physics update. Function physics update. Okay. I have a little state machine, like basic, I think. It swaps out change state idle, change state name, exit, enter. Current state, state name, so states. States. And on ready, state machine, yes. Child.name, yes. Okay. So, now, on the project settings, I will rename this to Dodge, and I will do it on Control. So, I need the run. Physics update. If okay, I need some if player no if input dot is action just pressed dodge player dot change state to dodge not do. I think that's it. What do you think? Not like when I do this, it swaps out. Okay, and then in the I need the player to last direction is vector 2. Last direction, Control D, nothing, Control F, 1/1 match. That's interesting. Last direction. I use that on the run. Last direction. Oh, I used that on this. Oh. So it's only right, up, down, left. Oh, should I do the... Wait. It should be the last direction. On enter player dot velocity. Wait. In the player, I need constant. Constant. What do you think? I'm just... Mm, about what? Yes, I don't know. I don't know what I wanted from you. Integer, and it's 500. Okay, dodge. So on enter, I add velocity like the last direction player dot last direction times what? Player dot dodge force. I think that's it. But now, okay, it should, but it will be only in the, yes, the animations are broken because now I'm only in the dodge state. So if player dot velocity is less than is velocity. Wait, how do I do it on like this? Velocity vector 0. Vector 2 dot 0. Then player dot change state to idle. Idle. Okay, if you wonder why do I have the player variable here when I didn't declare it, it's because I have the it extend ex it wait it extends the state which is nowhere to be found. Okay, there. And there it is. It should be player. I think that will not break it. No. That's nice. Okay, but I want then to every frame player dot velocity se rovná move toward from to from player dot velocity to vector dot vector 2 dot 0 with like 100 float. The argument wait, player, how do I do velocity dot move toward? Huh? Vector 2 dot, oh, so it will be like, it will be player dot velocity dot move toward, but only the vector 0. So it should be like, this is a lot. Wait, it calls every, wait, in the player there is apply movement to target speed accel times delta. Oh, so 200 times delta. Okay, I can remove the underscore. Oh, uh, uh, this function doesn't get called. Doesn't? This function, no, this doesn't, isn't called when I dodge and quickly go into another direction. So I'm just stuck in this. So I need to player velocity. Run idle velocity 0. What do you think? Because I need to or I can do less, something like var timer, so it's timer dot new. Wait a minute. I'm back. So the timer dot new, and now timer dot start like 2 seconds. I shouldn't be doing this. And timer dot on. Wait. Timer. What does timer have? What do timer? Is a countdown. The timeout signal. Timeout. Okay. Timer dot timeout dot connect function on timer. Timeout. Connect on timer timeout. Player dot change state to idle. No. Like this. Else player dot change state to run. Now, when I do this, yes, no, doesn't work. Debugger. Inside the tree. Oh. Timer dot instantiate. No? I need help. Timer. Oh, add child. Time. Add child. Timer. So now it should not be a problem. It is problem. It is big problem. What? Somebody. What was the sound? Support. Nothing. Okay, I guess nothing. Sorry. Invalid access to property or key timeout on the base object of type previously freed. Okay. This doesn't work. This doesn't work. Can a child... Huh? How does... Wait. Not on enter, but on ready. Function... Alt and the arrows. What is the sound? It's not important. Now it should work. No, doesn't. Wait. If I do... So, if I do 2 seconds... Yes. That's okay. But it bugs when... Is this Godot's own language? It has inheritance like Java. It's... Yes, this is GD script. It is like Python, which is my first language that I learned the basics of. And I didn't code in Java, so I don't know what inheritance does it have. Okay, where do I want to track if we can dodge? In the run. So if the timer is okay. And I should not do this because... Oh, it's simply parent-child objects. Yes, it is in the Godot. There are nodes, and there is like the tree. Oh, I need to show you something. Git hub desktop. Wait, there it isn't here. Project. Wait, I added something, which is okay. Okay, but I want to... Okay, I don't know if there is anything that I will leak. Probably not. If yes, hmm. Oh, I think it is in the inventory player. It does something with the tree, literally. Where is it? Nothing. Read me. Stacking of items. Dropped items. Okay. It is there. Trees. You probably don't. I should have. There it is. I don't know what's that funny on this, but whatever. every every time it just I see it, it just makes my day. I should not do the input in the physics function process, I think. Or maybe yes? I will let that be. Let it go. Okay, so I will do the timer here. var vr dodge timer. It 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 is like Dutch timer. Timer. It's timer dot new function ready. Time. What do I do there? Add child. Timer. Okay. So now I will every time if dodge timer dot is stopped. And now dodge timer dot start like 2 seconds, 1.5 seconds. Okay, not like this, like this. I can't. I'm clicking control. I hmm? Start. Or has not started. That's fine. Hmm. Chat, what do you think? I don't see the problem. Print dodge timer dot time left. timer. Is every time. Huh? What? Oh, so the time does go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But if Dutch timer dot has stopped dot okay, so I will do dot time left, yeah, is greater or equal to 0.1. It starts the timer again. What? Chat. What do you think? Because I don't know. If input, if Dutch timer, change state. The Dodge not starting. I think it starts. Print dodging. Enter. Print dodge and entered. I will do just dodge. Physics update. Print idle from dodge called. This is the same line. I can do Control C. Print run from dodge called. I need to fix something. Player run 0. Okay. This will be much better. Yes. Okay. Control. Oh. Do you see it? dodging, dodge entered, and now calling idle. Change state idle. Return, maybe. No. Dodge starts because timer is 0. But that would do this. On timer timeout. Idle. Wait. I need to see something. I Wait. It called this? Print if you read this. It should be impossible because the change state clearly doesn't work. Function exit, print exiting dodge. Nothing. Dodge. The fit. Wait. If current state dot physics update. So it's only the current state. That what? Huh? Huh? It means that wait. It means when I do idle on enter, print idle entered. On exit, idle entered, idle exited, idle entered, idle exited. And now it calls, wait, okay, idle entered, exited, I was moving, then I dodged, dodged, idle, then idle called, so exiting, idle, entered, but this is still working for one frame. Then idle called, idle from dodge called. exited, entered. This is a real. Re oh, idle enter. Idle exited, entered. Why does it exit the idle? Target speed. So the target speed is the problem. Why do I have target speed? That's that's that 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 is huh? Idle run run run. I think the timers are broken. So yes, it's the timer. Okay, the timer kept resetting it. Okay, but this doesn't work because it's timer. Okay, that means that I can't fix it. Right now, idle called, exiting dodge, idle entered, if you read this. Idle exited, idle entered, idle exited, something. I don't understand it. Okay, timers, nice, but not nice. Await time, maybe await timer. Await timer dot timeout. Start 1. Print Timer awaited. I need to check something. Wait. How should I do? Okay. Like this. Await timer dot time left. Think. No. It's called immediately. For some reason. Then. Timer awaited. This is not how it works. Isn't a coroutine nor a signal. Time left on. Timer dot is stopped. Timeout. Timer timeout. Oh. So that's how it's used. Okay. So idle. On timeout. Player dot change state to run. Then we need to remove this. Now run. Action enter. Parent run entered. Oh, less. If I do 500? Oh, no, because the player rewrites it. Because I just do... Okay, but that is not that big a deal, big of a deal. I will try to change this to 700. No, only 500. Okay, that's nice. Maybe some animations and it will be perfect. Now, okay. I want to change this. So, or maybe not. Let's not change this. Let's change this. Okay, I will do another animation for this. So it doesn't ha it doesn't have to be perfect, the animations now, because then there will be the dashing animation. So that's fine. But the dashing will be with the non-testing player. This is some sprite I have from the internet. In okay. So I like it, but don't want to use it because it's from another game. It feels okay. So when I shoot, that's fine. Okay. Oh, and there is some feature that was there not intentionally, but I am keeping that, and that because the weapon fires from a marker that is in the like here. So when I do this, I can change. I can shoot like this. It looked better on the fence I have in there. The fence isn't in the game, but it looked better. But I think that's cool feature that stops that should stop enemies from attacking you, but you should be able to attack them if you have the weapon. I think the basic weapon will be X or something, maybe some daggers, but I don't know. So that's it. Okay, so now we have the dodge. So I can remove the sprinting, delete, no. Okay, can I do, okay. Dodging, nice. So now I will open GitHub desktop because I should not. Okay, what were we making here? What did we do here? So dot. Okay, the dodging, dodging. Dodging. What is here? Okay, dodging, dodging, dodging. That's okay. Added dodge feature when clicked control you okay. Yes. Okay, if so, that's nice. I want to check OBS on CPU usage. Only it's few percent. Why do I have 30 FPS? Like the max? Hey! What? What? Okay. Also, you have 480p max on YouTube. Okay. Sorry. I know this happened. So I think no. I I would need to stop streaming for this. Oh, I will just okay, wait. I will stop, but I will not stop. I will not stop the YouTube stream. I will stop only the OBS stream. So I will take a break. Start on YouTube. On Kick, you must just don't know how to say it, so never mind. Okay, and now if it breaks, so then we have a problem. But okay, on Kick we are offline. On YouTube, okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Who? Okay. Yes, that super. Ah, okay. That's nice. That's nice. On Kick, is there anybody to tell me? No. So Kick has oh, it's simply but still same for ATP. Oh wait, it's 720 now. Okay. Okay. Now it should be. Wait. Do you hear me still? Yes? Okay, I will refresh. And do you have... And do you have 1080p? Do you have 1080p, like the HD, full HD resolution on stream? Yeah, okay. I'm sorry, I didn't know it was only 480. So this should be okay. The kick is bugging. Okay, okay. Oh, s- okay, it should be nice. Fine. Where is the chat? There. Okay, I'm sorry. You had if you told me to, I would change it. Hope something uh, on the screen was readable. But it should be... Wait, what is going on? What is going on? Wait, it's only the sprite. Why? Player, sprite. What? Test? Don't look at that. Side. Down. Side. Idle. Run. Offset. Flip H. What? That's not nice. I want it to be... Huh. That's problem. How is this? So I need to maybe have another sprite for player. That's the solution. Okay, sorry. What? 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 How am I doing? Uh, uh, what? Wait. Is it game sync? Yes. Oh, I forgot. Okay. Sorry. I got distracted. So, print, go away. Print, go away. Go away. Get. Okay. So. So the GitHub is, I think. Yes, that's okay. So, what should we do next? What should we do next? It was half hour and a half. So I use Milanote for the for this project. I don't think I will leak anything. Maybe not. If you see something, just don't tell it to anybody, okay? Okay, this is Milanote, and this is my project. What I want, this is my to-do list. So what should I do next? And this, okay, what should I do next? Cake. Oh, um, I, mm, for first, this was a small scope project, but I want to learn a lot of things, I think. Oh, I just dropped. I just. I have the item back. Okay, I dropped something. Okay, there. In the alpha or even the first version, there will not be everything. So not everything is okay. So what should we do? Maybe the X, or we can do the enemies, which will be pain. But I need to learn about it. So better options. Enemies sounds fun. Okay, enemies. So enemies. Okay. Oh, I just created a group. Why? No, I don't want. Go away from the group. Go! Okay. So, enemies. Okay. Is it? Is it done? Oh, yes, it is. Finally. I will refresh that. But I was using like for the learning and normally for school normal ChatGPT AI, but I I don't know if I can say it because I don't want. Mm. But now I'm using another which I think is fine. Okay, in the end to the end, fine. So enemies and pathfinding. Ah, the pronunciation. Nice. Okay. So this will be a lot of new things. Phew. Soon I have the player. Now I will have. It's not that hard. Okay. Okay, so I don't know if I should use. I don't know if I should use like class for the enemies, like um, I hmm. Like if I would have class enemies, which will have like the basic variables, and then the wait, resource? No. Uh, I will have enemy scene. Then I should have. I think I need enemy class like in the code. Like enemy script, like resource. But I don't know if that's unnecessary. Something. Because I could have each like scene for every enemy, like the zombie, skeleton, ghast. Okay, then the like sentry or something like another scenes, or I would have one scene with basic variables like sprite, and that will be what that would be all. Huh. What do you think? Hmm. About classes, like what I said, if I should do the enemies, like each enemy on its scene, or I will have one enemy scene with sprite, collisions, and then like classes, which I will be setting with code. If like I am, I I think I will be using the scenes because it's like I don't know better. So scenes, not enemy, but I don't know zombie. Okay, we're making zombies. Yay! Zombie. So zombie needs sprite 2D, animated sprite 2D. Oh, that will be hard. Okay, sprite frames, then collision, collision shape 2D. What is directional light? Shape, I don't know, circle. Wait, it will not be nodes, it will be like character body. Okay, zombie has animated sprite, collision shape, visible on screen notifier. And that's pretty all. Okay, animated sprite. I just okay, I will set it to default this. This is 50 pixels. That's a lot. That's scale. Okay, 0.7. 0.7. Position 0, 0. Why is it so stretched? Don't know. Okay, this. Oh, my sister is home. Okay, okay. I will not use this like a lot. zombie script. Oh, it can be like the scene. Wait. The zombie, the enemy. I don't know. Okay, in the main. Maybe packed scene. No. Reload. Scenes. Zombie. Cannot assign a value of type packed scene to variable zombie enemy with specified type zombie. Which means huh? Player. How do I spawn player? Function ready. Spawn position spawn player. Spawn player. Player is this. Player is player dot instantiate. Okay, that's it. Okay, zombie enemy. Okay, I need to see something. So, zombie enemy. Child. Zombie enemy. Just like this. It is here. It is big. Like it should be half the size. Okay. Should be half the size. So, animated sprite. Ah, okay, go away. Oh. This it is here. Okay, so I don't know how to do the pathfinding, so I think I will learn it off camera because it's better for learning overall. So I think that's it for today because streaming and programming at the same time is a little mm, not the best. Why is it snapping this? Okay, thanks. So, bye, cake or factory, or how should I say this? Bye. Okay, so I can just. Okay, and also bye on kick. Bye to everyone on kick. And right now, four people. Ah, I'm sorry, I'm just ending the stream. For some reason, everyone just joins it. So, bye everyone. So, Kick is offline, I think. Yes. And for you too. Bye.